Right? Remember the words that you wrote on your pyramid. Strength in crisis.
Jenny was helping us wrap up some loose ends. It'll go faster if we talk to you together.
Oh, sure. Anything we can do to put this behind us.
You've been looking through this.
Yeah, Detective Gorn left it behind.
I was very impressed, especially the pyramid.
Yes, it's
Baal.
It's excellent.
Gentle.
Inspirational, didn't you?
Very. My Jenny is a talented woman.
That check is gonna be here in a couple of minutes.
We were just talking about Jenny's greeting card idea.
It's never too late. Did you tell her my suggestion? Well, I'm saying that your husband is getting spoiled pictures too, the $50,000. Maybe you could use some of this to start your business.
We can definitely talk about it.
Baal, lay
We
down.
have some other ideas.
Lay.
Well, this is a good foundation for any kind of new beginning. Vision to see value. I think I know what that means. I'd like to hear what you have to say.
There's a saying that God makes no mistakes. And I just think that even if you don't believe in God, if you look at nature,
Go ahead, Jenny, finish your thought.
there aren't mistakes in nature and there aren't mistakes in people.